Before I make the important announcements, I would like to give special awards to these people who were able to do their best to home and to bring home the bacon and give CNN honor to our school, Corazon El Montelibano Elementary School. For the information of everybody, not anybody except for the people of the office, the addresses, our PDO also, and our AO assigned to them, know the special award today. Even the teachers do not know that they are going to receive this award. Okay, so you have already witnessed, and I would like to say congratulations to all the academic awardees, to all those awardees in perfect attendance, and also to the awardees in reading or literacy and numeracy for kindergarten, and also to the co-curricular activities. Thank you and congratulations for bringing honor to our school, and may God bless you so that in the next journey you will still excel, or if not, improve your performance. Thank you so much once again to the committees, and especially to the overall chairman, the Grade 5. I would like to acknowledge, you have already seen the medals given to our learners who made it to the division level. And we are supposed to acknowledge the coaches of these kids, because if without, or if not because of these coaches, the children will not be guided properly. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes. So I would like to acknowledge these coaches who were able to make it to the division level awards, and they were also awarded to the division level during the division meet or the division competition. So first here we have for our swimming. Now you have seen a while ago that there were 3 learners who were able to make it to win in our division competition, silver awardee and also bronze. And we have the coach, Ma'am Janvic Ann C. Langrason. So shall we give a big round of applause to Ma'am Janvic? And I would like to call in atong mga bata magitalaan medals sa swimming to please come up stage. They will be the one to give or to don the medals to their coach. Please go up stage, Ma'am Janvic. Congratulations and thank you for the great service. Atong duha ka bata, no? Sige, thank you. Sige. Ang medal, Ma'am Cynthia, ihatag ay itakon sa ilang naman. This portion is not seen in the program because this is a surprise award. Sige, put on the medal. Congratulations! Thank you! Sige. Then we have, the next here is the co-curricular activity. We have the Mascara Festival Drum and Lyre Competition, second runner-up, and this would not have been made possible because of the coach or the trainer, Ma'am Beverly Acuña, with the assistant trainer, Sir Rizalde Angolario. Congratulations! I would like to request the mother major, because if we're going to request everybody, the stage will not accommodate all of them. So we have our mother majorette, Ma'am Bex, if you have your mother, please come up stage and don the medal to your trainers. Sir Arbolari, Almeida. Ma'am Mary Rose Almeida for column writing in Filipino. And I would like to request Ken John Santillan to please don the medal to your coach. Where is and next we have Sir Winton Bulos, feature writing in English. Placer, finalist, and fourth place we have the learner or the contestant participant is Athena Lori A. Dohones. Miss Dorian. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I'm not correct. Kay Regine, Ma'am Regine. Ma'am Regine, sorry, si Ma'am Regine atay na. Ma'am Regine, please come up stage. With Athena Doholes. Lorraine Doholes. Then we have Sir Winton Bulos, coach, editorial writing. The learner is Zoe. Am I correct, Sir Winton? Zoe. Zoe Isidrea Malimbang. Zoe Malimbang is don the medal to Sir Winton Bulos. Sige, don the medal now. Congratulations and thank you for giving your best during our division school's press conference. Then we also have second place, rubber band.